Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zeta. Period. Y'all see my Walmart nightgown. I love the Walmart nightgowns. They like the little $7 ones, and they don't start to put pockets on them. Put in pockets. Yes, I'm here for the pockets. But I love my Walmart nightgowns. Like, y'all, why I just realized I put this thing on wrong. That's how you know I was tired last night. I put it on wrong. But whatever. That's why the pockets felt funny when I was just trying to show y'all the pockets. Because it's on wrong. But yes. It's so nice, comfy and cozy. But yes, we finna make this egg sandwich. I got some turkey bacon that I'm gonna put on it. I'm gonna toast my bread. And it's gonna be so good. So good. So I'm thinking I'm gonna use the griddle this morning instead of getting all those frying pans out. That'll just be easier. Y'all, I love my little egg storage container. I got this from Family Dollar for like $2.50. I love this thing. I got my bread. I'm gonna be running through bread like crazy because my little one, it has to take lunch to school now, and so I'm an extra mom, so I have to do the cookie cutters. And with the cookie cutters, it makes the sandwiches smaller, so I have to use more bread to make sure he has enough to eat, which is fine because, yeah, I just gotta make sure my baby got enough food. Right? So I use this turkey bacon sometimes if Walmart does not have the one that I like. Cause I get this from Aldi's and it's pretty good. So I'm gonna start with my turkey bacon. I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning because I was gonna cook a bigger breakfast this morning, but we're just gonna go for this sandwich because I really want some pancakes, grits, eggs. I want the whole shebang, but I love breakfast. I love breakfast. I don't know about it. I love breakfast. I love breakfast. I love the pancakes. I love the pancake girl. Don't want to but I mean, yeah, I like pancakes, but I like blueberry pancakes better. And sometimes I like pancakes. I like pecans. I like walnuts. Oh, shoot. Ah. I want to bake and make a perfect round. Bake like all of these. I want to put it up. I don't like y'all bacon. Y'all like it crispy or like soft bacon. I like crispy. I don't like soft bacon. I like it with a little bit of, maybe bites with a little crunch. So yesterday was my daddy's heavenly birthday. My daddy, I'm truly old man baby. Truly old man baby. Like my daddy was old, he made me. The bacon good and crispy, how I like it. Just put that on. It looked a little extra black because I put a little honey on it instead of honey be making it look a little extra dark. But I promise it's not burnt. And now I'm just toasting my bread. Next week, or the weekend after, I think I really got to detox because I live in Florida and I'm going to the Strawberry Festival and I'm ready to go eat all their food. Ready. Ready for them fried Oreos. Ready for that strawberry shortcake. Ready. Ready to go be greedy and eat all their food. Along with this here, with some fresh blueberries. And I'll put a little protein shake in it. I'm about to fry the egg. Y'all, the sandwich is so freaking good. I done ate by half of it because I ended up having to take a call real fast. And so I was on that call. Like the cheese mixed with the bacon, mixed with the jelly on this toasted bread. Y'all, when food be good, I'ma dance. Now this dinosaur, he done lost his head, but he still got the rest of his body. But it's okay. So got my smoothie already to go. So good.